Early in the morning, day 2. All we need to do is sand today. Should take less than a couple hours, and then it's off to my house to start sewing, because I got to get this interior done as soon as possible. So we just finished up inside. The van is one color, it's white, it's mostly straight, it's smooth enough to put the wrap on, and now all we're doing is waiting for a truck to move so I can get out and start on the interior. But first, I have one last thing to do over here at Next Level. So they got a little tradition like I showed earlier.
Those were the first stickers
First
on the booth.
stickies on the booth. Now
Except
look at
for
it.
This hockey stripe. Got 440. That was actually the first. So you're like number 2.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Number 2 in our hearts.
I podiumed. Ooh, I like it.
That was solid. See how clean it comes out? If it comes out clean at all.
A little wrinkly, but that's all good.
You can't ask too much more out of a slab.
Nope. All right, she's all done. The truck's finally out. Thank you so much.
We're done.
Woo! We did it.
Looks good.
Now it's time to start on the interior. A bunch of years ago, my uncle gave me his old record collection, and I went through it, and I actually found some old Grateful Dead albums, which I'm going to be playing for inspiration as I unpack all of the Grateful Dead merchandise and stuff that we're getting for the inside of the van. So that's pretty awesome, just to get me in the mood. Still mobbing on the van. I have most of the interior out. So now I can get started removing the carpet. I think I'm gonna leave the bottom section of the seats in. I can just clean it up a little bit. Got the shore power working again. So now when you plug in from the outside, you can actually use the power that is on the inside. So there's some really cool things that I can do with that. Plus, I don't know if the refrigerator works or not, but I'm gonna plug it in and give it a try and continue removing stuff. I just need to get the carpets out, start with that, and yeah, still have a lot of work to do. got the passenger side wall in. Got the driver's side wall in, which is huge, goes around that. Got the window cut out, all the trim put back on. Also set up these license plates. I hand weathered each one to look a little bit more used and abused because they looked a little weird brand new, and set up some sick neon underglow underneath. So that should be pretty sweet at night. It's even pretty cool during the day when everything's closed. Looks pretty rad. Stoked on the day's progress. So this little bad unit right here, so that they can connect the record player to a retro looking speaker that also has the same rainbow lights as everywhere else in here. Now, underneath this dome was these glaring LEDs. I put a piece of wax paper over them to diffuse them a little bit because they were kind of insane. Taking this off, and I glued together 2 Christmas ornaments, and now those can go on here and it spins around. The top piece to this is a postcard that we got from the little hippie with the Grateful Dead skeleton hand holding up a ice cream, which is going to be pretty sick once it's all done. Now all I need to do is glue this thing down. So the postcard is glued to a piece of Tupperware that I cut into a circle that fits over this, and then we'll glue down into this edge here. It looks pretty sick.